Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully everyone's having a great day today. It's been a while. It's been about a month. I worked the last 3 weeks straight, so I haven't had any time to make these videos, which I was kind of disappointed I couldn't because I was on a roll there right before I had to do this. But today, we got a package here to open up. It's for the Civic. So let's just get this thing open up and see what I got. Here's the package. Got it from Chris Sadowski. If you don't know who he is, I mean you should. But he has this right-hand drive, DA, K-swap. He does everything himself. So I'll leave a link down in the description below where you can check out his channel if you haven't. But let's get this thing opened up and check it out. Decided to get this on my car. Ever since he lost his job, he's been making his own braces. Oh yeah. Best part right here, baby. Hell yeah. Here we go. Whoa! Got the rear strut brace. I think it looks really, really good. Has this little autograph right here. Get a closer look of it. Dude, I think this is going to look really good in the Civic. And he makes these for DAs, and this one will fit Del Sol and AG, and also DC Integras. But yeah, excited to get this on. I'm happy that he found something he could do to make some money on the side. So let's get the trunk open and get this installed. Okay, this is going to be a simple install. Okay, what we're going to have to do, well, we're going to have to cut the carpet right here a little bit. But we're going to be taking these off right here to, I think those are 17 is what function form sent. And then the two over there, and the bar will just go across. So let's figure out where we need to cut this carpet, get it cut, and then put on. So it looks like we're going to cut right here, so I'll make a little X, and then we'll make it as big as we need to. So I am just pulling the carpet out. Simple to do. Back seat, there's two of the interior piece plugs right here that hold it right there. I already got an idea of where to cut it, so it'll just make it easier to make a cleaner cut. So I'll cut this, check it out, then do the other side. Okay, got it trimmed up. A lot easier to do outside the car. Let's see if this lines up good. I think that should work. Might have to trim a little bit more here, but that side's good for now until we get this piece out trimmed, and then we'll put in the brace and check for clearance. Okay, got both sides trimmed up. I think that should work right there. Try to cut it nice and neat. Those are 17 millimeters. That's from Function Form. I think the factory ones are a little bit smaller. But got my impact gun right here. Gonna take those off and put the bar on. bar back out. The nuts that come with the function form, they're too big like I said they were. Here they're 17 millimeters. I actually found my stock ones after going to Home Depot because they just had the same size. So these flange ones that come on the stock suspension will work because they're a 14 millimeter socket up top and they can fit into the housing right here. So let's get this back in there and bolt it down with the stock nuts. Got it bolted down. It looks really good. Here it is. I think it looks really good. Once I get the interior of this painted, of course, it'll look a lot better. The one thing I did have to do, and he does mention, I had to take a hammer, and I used a little punch. Let me see if I can get the light over here. So this little lip that comes up from the shock tower on the back side, on both of those, I just had to hammer it in a little bit so it fit perfectly. He does mention that, but didn't have to do much, just a little bit, so it could slide over and you could get the nut on. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about it. I think it looks really cool. And I'd like to get a matching one for the front right now. I just got this eBay one I got for like $10 when I first got the car. I think a matching one right here would look good. I think he's going to start making them. But that's going to wrap it up for today's video. It's a quick little install. I'm excited to get this. Decided to support another YouTuber and someone that's just trying to start his own business. Once again, I'll leave a link down to his YouTube channel, Instagram, where you can get a hold of him if you want to get one of these rear strut bars. Or he also makes catch cans and a few other little things he's doing. But if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, comment anything down below, and until next time, peace out.